What up, guys? Good morning. If I upload it today, or good afternoon if I upload another day. What's up? What's up? Today I'm gonna get my exhaust done. I'm gonna do a little video of that. También voy a hacer un photoshoot con mi compa Andres with that new body style 12 maroon truck from Vicious. That's my boy. Mufflers. That's the boy right here. About to show a little video. What the fuck he does and shit. Whatever you need, pull up. Right here on 32nd and McDowell. For sure. Come on. Now they're just doing that right now. You're about to see the setup right after. See what's up, and estamos. I'll let you know what'll be after and shit. The boy, my boy.
Yes, you know we getting down over here at Spanky's. Check it out. Check it out. We got the True Dual with the carbon, the X-Pipe headers. Some Malandro trucking.
Shit, fuck, bro. Yeah, my boy Spinky. I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
Just come over here, hit him up.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this coming in the link. Y ya está. ¿Qué rollo? Ahorita vamos a ir a la troca. I'm about to do a little photo shoot with the boy Andres. Y my boy's gonna pop out. Me, my VP Julian, with the extended cab. Y a rato, some other food I recruited might pull up. Ojalá, cause yo, y qué más. I'm about to show you in a bit when I'm at the car wash. Una lavada, cause fuck. Bitch is dirty, nigga. But dirty. Ahí estamos. A los miro, ya. Chao, chao. So aquí ya estamos. We're already at the fucking car wash, washing the shit down for right now. A prep wash. Bro, I wish I had a fucking tripod to put this fish down. Yeah. Feel me? Damn, nigga. Let's see, man. Yeah, just washing and shit right now. Damn, nigga, I'm breaking down too much. Baldy. I'm already done. I already did rims. I'm about to send this hoe. I entro. Bro, I need me my own fucking hand wash. Fucking detail de la verga. So yeah. So yeah, así estamos. Y about to put the bitch in after this. So I'm done washing this bitch. I'm gonna go to the photo shoot. I'm running late. Y así estamos. Ahí te miro. Bye. What up, what up? Okay, we're here at the fucking photo shoot with my boy. Where's he at? He is right there. Right there. Let's see the trucks right now. Let me show y'all real quick. Nah, it's straight. It's a little video.
Exactly.
Hell no.
See, I like those, but I like your style. The fucking.
Y andamos a la verga. Adrian. Andres.
What you can see.
What pa?
We in there, we in here.
I was trying to get a roller on the freeway.
Oh, I didn't know.
You saw it, dude.
Oh shit, watch out, there's a gang. That was cute right there. You suck. We should have won like these with them and then come to this truck. He gonna be mad. Shit, what's up, rudeness? Agree.
How you doing, bro?
Hmm?
How you doing?
Pretty happy of the results of what we're doing today.
Shit,
Under
shit.
production, we
Oh,
can't say
shit.
classified
Oh, shit.
information,
Okay.
but y'all be happy when it comes out.
Sure. New member. What up? Oh! Yeah.
Hello.